Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Alright guys, so today I'm just popping on really briefly to share a swap that I received in the mail before I headed out to take refuge at a hotel nearby. So we had some major hurricane, a storm passed through, and it knocked half of our city's power out. And so James, Josh, and I are staying at a local hotel for a few days until the power is restored. One, because it's just difficult working and schooling without power. So God has blessed us to be able to, have the means to actually get the room. So, at this time, this is what we'll do. Now, we have trooped it through a few because with the generator, it's a little bit easier. But those were shorter time frames, and it wasn't as many people affected by the storm. It was like, certain areas. But this time, we literally were 51% of the city was without power. So anyways, this swap I received came from Olga S. Gonzalez of Timeless Treasures 77. If I can find more information about her shop, or if she has a page, a Facebook group or something like that, I will drop that information down in the description box below. And of course, I don't have my camera set up, so I'm kind of filming this one-handed, so bear with me. I'm going to flip this over so I can raise this up. So anyways, so the swap that I participated in was in a group called Junk Journal with Penny. And I met Penny in another group called Junk Journal Buddies, which she was one of the moderators for. Penny is an awesome organizer for swaps. So if you're interested in doing swaps, I will drop a link below to Penny's Facebook group. And it's all things junk journaling as well. So without further ado, let me just open this. I did open up the side because I didn't want to be fumbling any more than I'm already going to be fumbling. And I've seen some of Olga's work, and I'm going to tell you, she puts my stuff to shame. I'm not ashamed. I'm just saying she's well past and well versed in the art of journal making and ephemera and such. She's definitely a master paper crafter. So at first glance, there looks like got that upside down. There's a gold sticker there. And it's a woman, it looks like. Roman numerals there. And then she's tied it with twine. The swap is actually tablets and booklets. So we were to create 5. They needed to be no larger than 3.5 by 6, I think, or 5.5. And so mine went out a couple of weeks ago, and I'll insert a picture of what I sent because I did or so I thought, create a video for it, but I couldn't find the video. But I did take pictures so that I could use it as a thumbnail, but I don't have a video. So nevertheless, I'll show you what I sent Olga in the little picture. I'll insert it here. So let's go ahead and see what Olga sent me. I'm so excited. Okay. All right. So at first glance, I see some type of plastic. I'm not quite sure what that is, but we'll look back at that in a few minutes. Okay. So this looks like a little folio. She did some stitching around the edges. And let's see, some stitching around the edges. And okay, I think I have this upside down. There we go. It's kind of hard to do this and then also look through the camera. Excuse my ashy hands. I love that seahorse. That is beautiful. And then there's gold foiling there. And then there's maps. Olga, if you're watching, I'm not sure if you know this about me, but I hoard all things maps. I buy it with the intention of using it, and I have such a hard time actually pulling it out and incorporating it into my paper crafts. So, and I'm gonna have to tuck all that back in when the camera's off. But then there's a journal tag. I love how she made that with the little notch right there. And hollow type. Okay, specimen it says. Oh, I love that. I love the color combination. Okay, and then in the inside is like a little tablet, a variety of different papers. And I think we were supposed to have no more than 6 pieces of paper, I think. But it looks like she added some additional ones in there. Oh my. Yeah, so there's a variety of different papers in there. In this one, I love that. With the little tag. All right, and so the second one says valued. How beautiful is that? Valued. And then it has like a vellum sticker there with the grid print paper. And then you have ledger paper. So this is the booklet type, you know, the open book type. And she stitched hers together in the middle. So that's just an idea for you guys if you want to make smaller booklets. It looks like she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sheets of paper. And one of them is folded, as well as the cover. So that obviously will fit through the sewing machine. Oh my gosh, I get so sidetracked and forget the camera's on. Forgive me, people. And don't think I won't be using this brick. Oh wait, it looks like some type of watercolor background. Okay, and then we have another, let's see, a door. Oh, and then she put a little bit of bling right there. Yes. I love this paper pad, this paper collection that you used for the outside, Olga. Okay, and so I'm struggling here with the one-handed, but as you can see, the papers are similar themed going through. And then this here, so it looks like the cover folds out, so you have just a lot more journaling area there. So that one is the third one. And then the fourth one is a similar, oh, it's got a couple of journal cards. How cute are these? Okay, let me see if I can. All right. There we go. Okay, so we have that. Some of you guys have been with me. You know, this is not how I do videos, but for the sake of making sure that too many days don't go by and that my crafty friend knows that I have her work, I need to get this video recorded. I love that stitching on there. Huh. All right. And then, oh, look at that. It's like a book. How cool is that? A book shelf of books on the cover of a booklet. How cute is that? And I've never seen that type of a paper clip before. Olga, if you're watching, drop in the comment section and let us know what type of paper clip that is. I've never seen that before. All right, and so again, we have grid paper, ledger paper, some double-sided papers, and yeah, quite a bit. These are very useful for putting in your Josh. Thank you. See, when you're in a hotel, you got to share your space, and so I'll probably have to edit that out. Anywho, but these are great for tucking inside your journals or tucking in your purse and then adding to your journal for a later date. So I'll put those cute little back in there afterwards. And then love this paper. And then this one I can put my own title on because she left a little label on there for me. All right. And so this one has a little pocket here. And then this is a tab style pad style tab, booklet. But I like how it closes up so that the papers aren't, flopping around in your purse. This is great for note taking, Bible sermons, and things of that nature. And so, again, this swap was brought to me by Penny from Junk Journal with Penny. And if you're interested, look in the description box below for a link to her site. And until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative in crafting. And don't forget, we're still in a pandemic. Some of you guys are experiencing the storm or hurricanes, tornadoes. Just pray for yourself and your family. But continue to check on your neighbors and your elderly. And then also just take care of yourself. Be good to yourself, all right? Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.